You want some food? You want food? Whoa! Gave me a heart attack for a while. Hey, get off the thing so I can show you something. So I can show you a hard. Get off the thing so I can show you a hard truth. You want food? There is no food until tomorrow, and it is 10 o'clock at night, guys. Don't give me that back talk. If you want food, go eat the turtle. Go eat the turtle for food, not me. Oh yes. You know what? I have to use the bathroom, so you guys just get out. Hey, get outside. I have to go use the restroom. Don't give me back talk, Orange. Go. Go. Oh, you're scaring me. No, turn around. Go. No. I need to use the restroom. Oh, you guys. Okay, that's one cat. Okay, that's two cats. Wait, no, Fireball, go away. That's it. Shit. Go away. Cats. They never stop.